Hey there, guys! Have you ever found yourself in a situation where a girl asks you for a favor, and you're not sure how to respond? Well, hold on tight, because in today's video, we're revealing the biggest mistake you can make when a girl asks for a favor. Avoiding this critical error could make all the difference between gaining her admiration or losing her interest. So, if you want to know what not to do when faced with this common scenario, keep watching. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, your ultimate destination for navigating the intricacies of dating and relationships. Today, we're delving into a topic that many guys struggle with: how to handle it when a girl asks for a favor. It may seem harmless at first, but trust me, there's a right way and a wrong way to respond. So, let's dive in and uncover the biggest mistake you should avoid at all costs. Segment 1. Don't immediately agree. The first mistake you should never make when a girl asks for a favor is to immediately agree without considering your own boundaries or priorities. It's natural to want to be helpful and accommodating, but saying yes too quickly can send the wrong message. It might come across as overly eager or desperate for her approval, which can actually diminish your attractiveness in her eyes. Segment 2. Avoid overextending yourself. Another crucial mistake to avoid is overextending yourself or sacrificing your own needs to fulfill her request. Remember, it's essential to prioritize your own well-being and boundaries. If the favor she's asking for is unreasonable or puts you in an uncomfortable position, it's perfectly okay to respectfully decline or suggest an alternative solution that works for both of you. Segment 3. Don't expect anything in return. One common mistake that many guys make is expecting something in return for doing a favor for a girl. Whether it's hoping for her affection, attention, or even a date, having ulterior motives can taint your genuine willingness to help. Instead, approach favors with a mindset of kindness and generosity, without expecting anything in return. This selfless approach will not only preserve your integrity, but also demonstrate your true character. Segment 4. Avoid being manipulated. Beware of falling into the trap of being manipulated or taken advantage of when a girl asks for a favor. Some individuals may exploit your willingness to help for their own gain, without considering your feelings or boundaries. Be mindful of any signs of manipulation or coercion, and don't hesitate to assert yourself if you feel uncomfortable or pressured. Segment 5. Don't compromise your values. Lastly, never compromise your values or integrity to accommodate a favor request from a girl. If the favor goes against your principles or beliefs, it's important to stand firm and respectfully decline. Your values define who you are, and sacrificing them for the sake of someone else's approval is never worth it in the long run. And there you have it, the biggest mistake to avoid when a girl asks for a favor. By steering clear of these pitfalls and handling favor requests with confidence and integrity, you'll not only maintain your self-respect, but also command her respect and admiration. So, the next time a girl asks you for a favor, remember to stay true to yourself and prioritize your own well-being. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on navigating the complexities of dating and relationships. Have you ever experienced a situation where a girl asked for a favor? How did you handle it? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.